Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to answer a common and important question. What's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? Let's break it down in a super easy way, with examples you can relate to. Let's start with the big picture. Artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to any technique that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. This includes reasoning, learning, problem-solving, and even decision-making. In other words, AI is like teaching a machine to think like a human. As you can see in this diagram, machine learning and deep learning are actually part of AI. AI is the outer circle, the broadest concept. Inside that, we have machine learning, where machines learn from data. And even further inside, there's deep learning, a powerful type of machine learning using neural networks. Examples of AI in real life. A chatbot that answers your questions. A self-driving car that navigates the road. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. These are all examples of machines mimicking intelligent behavior, which is exactly what AI is all about. Now let's take a closer look at machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is actually a subset of AI. It allows machines to learn from data and get better over time, without being explicitly programmed. That means the model finds patterns and makes predictions on its own by learning from past examples. Here are a few real-world use cases of ML. Predicting house prices based on location, size, and number of rooms. Identifying customers who are likely to cancel a subscription. That's called churn prediction. Recommending products on e-commerce sites based on your previous activity. Some of the most commonly used algorithms in ML include linear regression and logistic regression for simple prediction and classification. Decision trees and random forests, which use a flowchart-like structure. Support vector machines, or SVM, great for finding decision boundaries. And very powerful techniques like gradient boosting, including XGBoost and LightGBM, which are widely used in competitions in real-world production systems. There's also k-means clustering, used when you don't have labels and want to group similar data. These algorithms form the backbone of modern data science and applied AI in many industries, from finance to healthcare to marketing. Finally, let's talk about deep learning, or DL. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, but it's more powerful and more specialized. DL uses multi-layered neural networks to process large amounts of data and make very complex decisions, similar to how our brain works. Here are some exciting real-world applications of deep learning. Face recognition, like unlocking your phone with your face. Language translation, such as Google Translate or AI chatbots. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars that detect pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles. These are some of the most commonly used architectures in deep learning. CNN, convolutional neural networks, mainly used for image classification and object detection. RNN and LSTM, recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory networks, used for sequential data like time series or text. Transformers, modern models used for language tasks, including large-scale models like BERT and ChatGPT. Deep learning is at the heart of today's most advanced AI systems, and it powers many tools you probably use every day, often without even realizing it. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on deep learning and the bigger picture of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. We've seen how these three concepts are connected, like layers within each other, and how they power many of the technologies we use every day. I hope this session helped you get a clear and simple understanding of how AI works and where ML and DL fit in. If this video was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really supports the work we do. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.